Okay, as you can see, we got all of the bee frames out of the back of the truck. There's still a few hanging around, but they're going to do that until they realize that the source of their craziness has been moved to over here to where the hives used to be. This way they're kind of staying in the general area. I don't want them staying around the connex or the truck. And this is what the frames look like. These frames were pulled out of a bad hive. I don't know what happened to the hive, but all of a sudden they just disappeared. I was going to save the wax, but it doesn't look that enticing, and I wouldn't buy it if I was someone. So this is what it looks like. My old frames, my old stuff that I'm bringing down here, and as you can see, they're still hovering above it. You can hear them. Oh, they're mad. What? Oh no, I'm just putting it out here till they get tired of it and get what they want. And then that way, because that's just frames. All that's just frames except for the box. The Nook box, I've got to leave out here because it's got wax comb in it. They're going to try to go in the connex if I put that in there for right now. I might wait and leave it out and let them pull everything out of it. And